hak Jingpynbeit ka Sorkar jala ban pandap no iki kam hikai balai theli hak Skul Sorkar u Director of School Education and Literacy u Swapnil Tambe ula pentep basyanon sedang no ya ka Thung kam ya Kumba news pa Ngut Nonghikai Hadien baladep ban Jingpynbeit bat menjur ya ka rosta haba pentep ya kani sekilat patai kubor hak no pai singi ka arpau terik rumpang arjar persan u Swapnil Tambe u loong bagi don Kumba sanspa teli ki kam Nonghikai balai theli hak Skul Lower Primary Shipau hadu arpau teli haki upper primary but arspa hadu laispa teli haki secondary.
The matter is under examination because the roster, as you know, that we have to follow the roster. So we have compiled the vacancies from all the subdivisions and all the district, and currently the roster is under examination. And once it's approved, then we will go ahead and do it, as we had done in 2023, where it was the end where 1,000 teachers were recruited. So on a similar level, again, we are ready for the next round of recruitment at all levels for the government and for all other schools. As you have seen the presentations, the rationalization process which is now very important for the state. So we are taking up that exercise, and once that exercise is complete, then all the other vacancies also will be taken up. In terms of government LP, it is around 500 vacancies are there, and UP has very minimum because we have very less number of government UP schools, so that's around 10 or 20. And in secondary schools, the vacancy would be around let's say 200 to 300 government secondary schools. But for secondary schools, there is a provision of substitute teachers which is there. So as of now, people are there. I mean, it's not like teachers are not there. So for secondary level, that problem is not there.
Hadien, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la ikan diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam badon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya